2019 Equinox trims should extend into 2019 and incorporate the base L, LS, LT, and Premier. Standard highlights on the base trim for 2019 included 17-inch wheels, a 7.0-inch sight and sound touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, OnStar Guidance, and warmed and control customizable side view mirrors. The best Premier trim comes standard with 19-inch wheels, LED headlights and taillights, warmed front seats, 8-way control customizable driver's seat, vulnerable side observing with back cross traffic alarm, a sans hands liftgate, and a 8.0-inch touchscreen. The 2019 powertrain should continue and incorporate a 170 horsepower 1.5-liter turbo 4, a 252 horsepower 2.0-liter turbo 4, and a 1.6-liter turbodiesel i4 that produces 137 horsepower and 240 pounds-to-foot of torque. A 6-speed programmed backs the 1.5-liter turbo 4 while the 1.6-liter turbodiesel motor and the 2.0-liter turbo 4 uses a 9-speed programmed. All powertrains come standard with front-wheel drive and are accessible with all-wheel drive. In 2019, EPA-appraised efficiency numbers ran from 22/28 of a mile per gallon city/roadway with the AWD 2.0-liter turbo 4 to 28/39 of a mile per gallon with the front-drive turbodiesel. Driver help well-being tech will probably proceed into 2019 unaltered. Chevrolet's well-being tech on the Equinox incorporates forward crash alarm, low-speed programmed crisis braking, path keep help with path takeoff cautioning, vulnerable side observing with path change alarm, and back cross traffic caution. We trust the programmed crisis slowing mechanism is enhanced to a more extensive scope of paces. An Encompass Vision camera framework and a back seat update are likewise accessible on the Equinox. OnStar additionally offers a few well-being administrations including programmed crash reaction, crisis administrations, roadside help, and stolen vehicle help. The Equinox's tech will probably persist into 2019 with a standard 7.0-inch mixed-media touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto that can be moved up to a 8.0-inch touchscreen that includes Sirius XM satellite radio and a discretionary route framework. The updated sound framework is a discretionary 7-speaker Bose framework. A 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot is accessible and the My Chevrolet portable application enables the proprietor to begin/stop the motor, bolt/open the entryways, sound the horn and blaze the lights. The Teen Driver Highlight enables proprietors to screen the driving qualities of another driver.